once at all. But the way you as a leader treated us that made us to know that you really, really love us. And what I can say is that there is a man who makes others happy, not only in their command, but even in their faults. Because that's a person who is influencing directly and indirectly positively the lives of the people. What I would like to say is that these gentlemen, these ladies, they are all passing this sincere gratitude to you for having organized this mentorship program for the scholarship. Because probably most of the students, if you can take a look, they are coming from humble backgrounds, meaning that they don't have higher education. And one way for us to develop our country is by the students acquiring education, so that we can acquire the fullest potential within, we can lead, we can inspire, and we can pay back the services to the community in our county. Our county needs the young people. We are the one who can change tomorrow needs us. And what we are given, the kind of opportunity you have given us, we are not going to let you down. And the fastest way of not letting you down is by making sure we're going to create good grades. And those good grades, they're going to help them pursue good careers. So that the kind of roads which most of us are speaking, they be the engineers and they come back to make those roads. Another thing I would like to say is that we did not give up. No matter what comes in life, we have the potential. The potential which we have at hand, never let any obstacle you meet in life, let that obstacle you meet be a stepping stone to success. So you have to believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, raise your right hand like this. Say, yes we can.
Yes we can.
Yes we can.
Yes we can.
Your Excellency, all of these students, when your listeners are going to vote, they're going to have ideas. Something I'd like to tell you is one thing. We need our government to have more 5 years. As we say, not because they've given us the scholarship, but because they are seeing the essence of education. Let us go back to our villages and tell the people that the kind of plan our government has. Let us tell more people, let them support it instead of giving opposition. Let them support it so that long as the Nyamira County can become a 2027. The only thing I would like to ask is the blessing from you that God willing I be able to sit that chair and when the sun can be from the this is all to the kwamba nchi ya Kenya na Nyamira County iweze kusonga mbele. Asante sana.
Asante sana.
I'm shut up because of you and because of the crop of Nyamira County. We're here to say thank you to our county that not only have you ensured that we have got in academic excellence, but you've ensured that you have mentored us through this. It's saying that you could go to school and have education, but without the mentorship, the proper mentoring of a student, so that you can be aware that this is what I am to be, then that education will be useless. But we thank you that because you have came together, you have guided us, you have mentored us since Form 1. I can say that I have seen the one that we were with, I joined with them Form 1. But where we are, it's totally different. We are in the same school, but we are two different people. Reason being, I have been mentored. I know what I am supposed to be. Yesterday we were taught about examtives. Will I be the same with that car from Kerelia at home at the moment? No, I won't be. Why? Because I have been mentored and I am ready for that exam because of this mentorship. So I'm happy and I'm here to thank you from my heart. That when you gained a lot, we have the comfort that we need at school. We are not sent home. We have the mentorship that we deserve. When you hear them say that we are standing 2027 to vote for you, then it means that we know that we will be there. So thank you and thank you so much for that. And I would like to assure you this, you didn't make a mistake to select us. And that will be seen at the end of this year. We're going to bring out the best. Madam Sebi, next year, this t-shirt, as the road, we celebrate. Thank you so much.
School, all NI school. But with our principal, Mr. Nyari, akaniambia ya kwamba ingia tu in Mongoli, then we shall see a way forward. Nikaingia, then I heard from the county kwamba there are students who are going to be selected to be given a scholarship. The teachers advised me wakaniambia just try. And I want to thank our governor. He took his time akaangalia those students who are needy na akatusaidia, and that's why I am in school right now, and I am going to work hard to ensure that I come out as a successful student from Mongoli High School. I know I am an A material by the end of the year, and that's what I'm going to hear. Therefore, by the end of the year, we are graduates. We have got all the things. Tumekuwa hapa for the 3 days. Tumefundishwa yote. We have been given the tips to handle the exams, and that's what we are going to do. I promise, Mr. Laman. We shall do those things. Madam Civic, we thank you for the program, and all the chief officers who are here, the directors from the county, we thank you. We most sincerely thank you. It's because of you that we are here. Tunawashukuru. Tunawashukuru sana. Ndio maana hata sisi tunapata wanafunzi wengine, and we are going to work hard by the end of the year. Thank you.
Makofi mazuri.
Nitasema nikianza attention, kuna kitu nataka kumention, na hii leo si kuhusu national examination, but just a congratulation and a conversation about education. Ati si wanasema education is the key, lakini uliza wale waliojaribu kufungua na waya, si walijipata wakiwa malaya. Ati na ukiendelea kufanya education is the key, wewe ukajipata uko Ulaya. Ati na kama hujanielewa, maybe pengine umeelewa, na siwezi sema hatumeelewa. Nisema kama hii hujazoea kulewa, au mazingira kama haujazoea kulelewa. Ati siniruhusu kwanza nimshukuru Mr. Amos. Najua mimi si prophet, lakini najua control possibilities, 046 control possibilities. Sikawana naitwa Amos. Ati kalikuwa watu wenyewe walikuwa hukumo, na maanisha giza. Nikahisi kama Mungu kafanya miujiza. Although I seem to fly, lakini nilikuwa mawa, sisi na sawa sawa. Ati na kama nimekuwa voice, jua that ni Christ alinipa the Calvary. Anape now, because ni rock you can't just stand over president. A son of a scholarship one day, I go by the